Welcome back. We are going to talk succulents today. No, we're not. Welcome back. We are going to talk succulents today. We tried two different ways of doing it. So the first method is one that you've probably seen before. Take a regular piece of just plastic wrap. Use a knife or something sharp and poke a couple little holes in it. And then just like that, you're gonna stick the cutting through those holes. And it goes right over a little bowl or a cup of water. And then set it in a bright room. Check on it periodically, see how it's doing. The other method is to just throw them on the counter. We pick these up off of the ground and I just set them on the counter in the kitchen. It's not in direct light or anything, just more in a brighter area. And they grew within a couple of days, a lot quicker than this method. And so 2 out of 3 of these ones that were on the counter grew really well, grew a lot of roots, a lot of little buds. With the water method, only one of them ended up growing buds. And they were a lot smaller than these ones. It only grew 2 little buds on there, where this one has a lot on it. So we're going to go ahead and plant them today. All right, so I'm not gonna plant that one. It's not looking very good. We'll just plant these other 2. So for these, I'm gonna cut off the rest of this, the rest of the old cutting. Go like that. And same thing for this one. And then in our soil, I'll just poke a couple little holes. I'm just gonna drop them right in there and kind of fill that hole in a little bit right around them. And the same thing for that one, just with the roots down in the soil. All right, and that is it. All right, well that's it for today. Go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see some updates on these guys, let us know in the comments, and we will see you next time. The end.